Okay mga kamig, so diyan na karon sa barangay Pandan, Kamigin, Mambahaw, Kamigin Island mga kamig. So kanin sa likod nako, mao ni ang mga bata nga atong pilingan karon.
Dera.
Kamagin.
Oh my God, he got it. Okay. Next question. Very good. There you go. Next question. Okay, what year it is?
1871.
Very good. Good. I'm sorry. Very good. Mga bright na gani mga bata nila, mapurdoy ko. Diba na. Next.
Barangay Kapitan ay Chris Street, Pabana.
Very good. Barangay Captain Chris. Anak, kanay title. Okay, next question. Kinsa ang nagpakaon ninyo karon naagid sa inyong atubangan? Siya ro.
Filipino Needy Children Fund INC.
Oh, very good. Very good.
volunteers, teacher, namin teacher ang environment, especially that Dirty Children Fund and Corporation, led by Rachel Nisan, the OEM chairman. And so this activity is very happy and unexpected na inani ang mahitabo sa inyong ihatag na programa. So everybody is welcome here. And atong paninamutan na enjoy pa tanan nga naa diri. Daghan kayong salamat kung may buntag sa tanan.
Gahapon pa mo excited na kayo mo gahapon pa lang. Muna ganina buntag sa'yo kayo mo ni Matano. Excited na? Okay. Needy Children Fund and Corporation, iyahang mensahe para kanato. So let's all welcome Ma'am Rachel Basant. Of course, no, atong patpakan si Ma'am.
Thank you. May buntag ko rin tanan, labi na sa mga parents, barangay officials, barangay captain, and to all my volunteers, the Filipino Needy Children's Fund, my coordinator, Via and Raymond Alamir, and Ranica from Cebu, And of course, Marta Beer, she is the big sponsor towards my charity throughout the Philippines. We have been traveled around the Philippines. This is our last stop. And then we head back to Australia. So thank you for making us welcome. I know you've been nasayo ka mo diri nisugat na mo o nalipay sad ko nga kamong mga bata nga malipayon pud sa among ihatag kaninyo. Short man gud ning among bisita diri kay na ako'y amiga nga taga Camiguin ngadto sa Australia. And she happened to mention this area. How I wish nga I can fill up this basketball court. It's just a short notice. Kaya kung nakabalo pa ko, may nani kadaka ang inyong basketball court, I will fill it up. And I'll give you more. But by saying that, you never know. We might come back, but I don't want to make any promises. But I know these kids are so longing to have a little bit of something that make them smile.
But anyway, to Miss Rachel Bisant for the generous support and valuable contribution and wholehearted participation of the feeding program for the kids. Your kindness and commitment in supporting community-based programs have brought happiness, nourishment, and encouragement to the children and the youth of Barangay Pandan. Through your generosity, this meaningful activity became more successful and impactful, inspiring unity, compassion, and hope within the community. Your support is deeply appreciated and will always be remembered as a valuable contribution in promoting the welfare and empowerment of the youth and children. Given this 30th day of May 2026 at 10 a.m. at Barangay Pandan Covered Court, signed by our Punong Barangay Chris L. Cabanan. Again, this certificate of appreciation is awarded to Ms. Rachel Bisant. The same citation is given to Ms. Marta Bird. And the same citation is given to Mr. Raymond Alamig. And certificate of appreciation is awarded to Ms. Ronica Alamig. And certificate of appreciation is awarded to Ms. Via Alamig.
On behalf of my charity, Filipino Needy Children's Fund, and the Australian people who are supporting my charity, we would like you to hand the Australian flag token to our friendship to you guys. So, thank you. Okay.
kamig, so human na tadirig pidig sa Barangay Pandan, Kamigin, Mambahaw, Kamigin mga kamigs, no? So, ang mga bata na pa sa likod, kuha na ice cream. So, daghang kayong salamat sa Barangay Captain, Barangay Officials, mga BHW, Iski, sa tanan-tanan nga mga official diri sa Barangay Pandan. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pag-abi-abi na mo during sa among feeding. Ug sa tanan mga tao, sa mga bata, daghang kayong salamat. Shout out sa diay sa taga GB Tower, GB Hotel nga mga crew nga among bilitan. Daghang kayong salamat no sa inyo. Okay, hanggang dito na lang mga kamig. Stay safe everyone. God bless to all of us. Mabuhay and bye-bye.